What the? No! I think he ripped his pants. All right, guys, we're very excited because we have a...
I love boxes.
You make it, we skate it.
Just need a drill. You got anything for me?
Maybe this? It's a D. You know what that D stands for?
Derek.
Derek. My one and only true love. Don't tell my wife. What do you think is inside here, Gabe? Feel the weight. Just feel the pressure.
I'm gonna guess it's some form of skateboard.
Oh, no, got him.
Let me guess some form of indestructible carbon fiber or something.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
Why?
It's light.
Yeah, it is light. Now I want some.
I know what it is.
I want some dad jokes out of here.
Is it teak?
Nope. You thought it was teak, but it ain't teak.
I thought I had this too.
Yeah, I thought you were working out.
And golfing.
Now there should be some kind of note in there somewhere.
Here we go, here we go. Oh,
Bohanel,
state-of-the-art skateboards inspired by nature.
Dear Braille skateboarding team, hope you guys are excited.
I am.
I'm Bohanel. It's his name.
Oh.
A 23-year-old creative from Slovenia.
Okay.
And founder of Bohanel Boards. Growing up surrounded by nature, surf, and street culture, I was inspired to create boards that bring something truly unique to the skate world. We've been making boards since 2016, super rad, and I've been a fan of Braille ever since. Bohanel Boards is all about original designs and fully custom shapes, crafted with a vision to stand out. I'm incredibly excited to share this with you. We've launched a limited edition skateboard, Bohanel Braille, with only 50 of these exceptional leaf-inspired skateboard decks. This is an exclusive opportunity to own your own piece of art, a commute cruiser or skateboard that brings a touch of nature wherever you go. Each deck features a Braille logo exclusive to this series, making it a true steal of a deal. And trust me, it's a guaranteed conversation starter too. So if you're rolling through the city and you have one of these, he says people are gonna talk to you.
They're gonna ask you and you're gonna say, that's the Bohanel special right there. You're not gonna believe this.
Thank you. That's what I've needed in my life.
I've done all the research. I'm now an expert in this product.
Yeah?
I am.
Because you read the...
Yeah, I read the goods.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so if I'm correct, this should have plies of Canadian maple, a ply of fiberglass.
Really?
And also a ply of literal stone, like rock.
No.
Yes. Look at that.
Bohanel.
That is gorgeous.
I think this is that grip tape that we tried to do, but we weren't like quite smart enough.
Yeah. You're 100% right. I know there's someone out there that knows how to do it.
I look up and Rick G's looking at like, yep, you guys are stupid.
What I'm really thinking is that board looks awesome.
It is, yeah.
Pretty fire, right?
Bohanel X Braille limited edition, 1 out of 50, handmade in Slovenia, 10/20/2024. I could be wrong though.
It's just plywood.
Then I was looking at the wrong page here.
So there's a literal one with stone?
Yeah, here, let me find it.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, look at this, look at this. There's a rock edition, yeah.
Rock edition?
First stone crafted longboard with a composite structure in the world. It has literally fiberglass and then an ultra thin layer of stone at the bottom.
Okay, Bohanel, how did you not give us the stone board?
Let's go.
Please send us a stone board.
Episode 2 with the stone, because then you got to do all the elements too.
I mean, I hate clear grip tape, but this is next level. This is good.
Yeah, I mean, as long as there's some contrast in colors. But I'll say you saved it for a great time, because, you know, fall's out, winter's approaching, got the leaves.
And we're about to leaf it.
Yeah. Was okay.
Leave it in the comments below.
Leave it in the comments below is a good one. No, you're really gonna have to stem out from these.
Okay, I think the way this is actually supposed to work is with a pair of surf skate trucks.
Okay.
And then you surf skate it.
Do we have any of those?
We ain't posers, we don't surf skate.
Okay.
Actually, I probably have surf skate trucks in my car. Should I look? Or should we just put normal trucks on it?
I just realized we were going to San Francisco and we could have done that video idea I've had for literally like a year, and I forgot the board at my house.
What?
The skate breaks down the steepest San Francisco hill.
We gotta do that.
Literally, it's a longboard and you have brakes and you press it down and it stops.
We gotta do that.
I was bombing hills, dude. All right, let's get some trucks on this thing. I want a varial flip it.
Really?
Yeah.
Would you rock this, Rick G?
I mean, I'm excited to play with it.
This very much reminds me of my very first skateboard, or like the first skateboard I ever purchased as a skater. It was a Duster's Cruiser from Zoomies.
Leave it in the comments below. Shout out Zoomies. Nice construction, nice build. It also has a little texture on the leaf graphic.
It does.
Like, wow.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I realized, Gabe Cruz? You know what's significant about the 2 screws?
What?
Now I got 2 screws in my foot.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't want him to put in the other 2 pieces of hardware.
Well, you know, I went to sleep thinking that I was getting 6 screws and a plate. And then when I woke up, they said, "You're in luck. We only needed 2 screws." And I thought, well, isn't that interesting?
You know what's crazy about our friend Bohanel though, is that he's 23 years old. And I remember a time we would do these videos and I was just a young lad.
When we were 23 years old?
And the people, they were so much older than me and so much wiser. And now I'm the old man.
Yeah. But here's the real question. How old, don't answer this one, is Hippie Mike?
Hold up.
Yeah.
You know the answer?
I do, yeah.
52?
You good at math?
Yeah.
I skated for 38 years.
Okay.
And I started in 1986. And I started summer of 1986. My birthday's in November 1978. So that's an actual like.
My dad was born in 77. 77 plus 3 is 80 is 23 plus 24 is 47. So 46? 46 in a week, right?
That's right.
All right. Okay.
So we are almost the same age.
Okay.
Think about that.
What's this?
You tell me.
Pretty sick little cruiser.
Yeah, right? And nice grip tape job.
Yeah.
Pretty good, eh?
Just the sand grip.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna shred this bad boy. Okay, Gabe, this thing is glorious.
It is?
You wanna know how I know?
Photosynthesis?
Oh dang, I was doing it so good until we started filming. Okay, right here, watch. How? How does it work so good?
Dang, that nose actually pops really good.
I know.
Should we kickflip off?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
I was trying to save paper, trees,
Ah,
through the paper.
Okay.
And you cut it down.
Remember that SpongeBob episode? Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. That's so stupid. Oh, dude. Yeah, I got it second try. It's the grip tape is a little slippery.
Slippery?
Yeah, you got to get used to it.
Oh,
Trust me.
you're right.
Yeah.
Because when you feel it with your hand, it feels extra.
It feels very abrasive, but then when you
grippy.
actually flip it, it's kind of non-abrasive.
Thanks for telling me all that, because now you're...
Ah, yeah.
Nothing in the world could make me not land a kickflip.
Okay, all right. Double or nothing.
Okay, double or nothing.
I mean, what are we betting?
You land it right here?
Okay. Here. If I land it right here, my answer, you go to a heel flip off.
Okay.
All right. I'm such a poser. I am just the biggest there's a fire over there, I'm distracted.
Okay, get it.
All right, yeah, let me land it. I'm gonna be honest, I got very distracted though. I was thinking about, I'm going to a Warriors game next week, and then I just thought about Derek. And all I was thinking about was Derek.
And it's awfully hard to skate with a... Never mind.
Just thinking about Guapo over there.
Gordo Guapo. Come on, keep that front foot on. Need a skate support?
Okay, this is difficult. Aaron, you broke me, bro.
I know.
You broke me. I'm in shambles right now.
Wow. Worst ride away I've ever seen. Come on, Bohanel.
I started to bend down and I thought I should really branch out, and then I started laughing.
This is Clay Thompson. Final 4, 7th inning. The bases are loaded. Clay's on the plate. There we go. All you had to do is mention Clay and he was in there. Barry will flip it. Wait, I need to get this.
Make sure you get my good side.
What side's your good side?
Back side.
Every damn side.
Well, dang! That was really good, man. Come on, D. Come on, baby. You got it.
It's a leaf. So for everybody just tuning in, this is Brett. He is 98% blind. He has a blind walking stick and he's gonna skate this board. If you heel flip this first try, you will be the world's greatest blind skater. Holy guacamole. It's really wide and I'm very impressed if you heel flip this.
Oh, that was it?
He said, what's Braille without a blind skater? And I said, you know, you're right. Oh, what in the world? He really branched out onto that.
Got my branch.
Yep.
You
Well
can have
done.
your leaf.
Oh!
Now just leave me alone.
We're not worthy. He's blind and he got the jokes.
All right, I got one more for you.
Okay.
Right here, I'm feeling good about this.
No way. Dang, maybe we should just play a game of skate on it.
We could do it. Dude, I could triple flip this.
Hell no.
All right, right here, I'm gonna double flip for you, all right?
Wow. girl is on fire.
Gotcha.
Oh. Okay,
Should
we playing?
Yeah, should we run it? Oh. Ah, we'll be lucky if we get a turn.
Let me just get into sport mode. All right, Bohanel. Should we start out hard?
After losing that last game against you, I'm gunning for you, bro.
Are you?
Don't give me a try.
Don't worry, I don't need to.
Heel flip, fakey heel flip.
Nollie heel flip.
I can't do that one. All right, shoot.
What'd you say?
Think I don't got a tray flip, man?
How you like me now? How you like them apples?
Hey, I'm washed, but I'm not that washed.
Just a regular tray.
How does this work?
Whoa!
I mean, honestly, that's a nice looking beginnings of an impossible.
Hippie, this board looks made for you, Hippie.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's harder than it looks.
But you saw this tattoo, right, Gabe?
Never give up.
Oh, yep.
If you land this right here, I'll go organic for a year. Sorry, I was talking too much. I was talking mid. He gets a rebate.
No, it's okay. It's
You
okay.
sure?
Yeah. No, I'll just let you live with that one.
All right, we're gonna take it easy for y'all. Wow, that was a lot harder than I expected. Nollie off the front of the leaf.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Come on, bring it in. No! I almost pooped my pants.
Aaron, you've been in SF for how long?
Since 2002.
Okay, so about 22 years?
Yeah.
Do you prefer San Francisco, Bay Area, or San Fran?
San Fran, you cannot do it.
Right?
Yeah, no. Fakey ollie. That was sick, Rick. Damn, Gabe. My girlfriend's on this app.
Wow.
Has a nice little leaf to it. Really floats like a leaf. It actually is weirdly light.
Yeah.
Wow, Rick.
All bark, no bite.
Switch ollie. Switch off. If it's switchy,
Count it.
switch.
Let's go.
He says. Wow. I almost fell.
You're gonna have to be very gracious on the judging on this one for me.
Okay.
This is whether it's
I'll
a
be like,
boned ollie or ollie north is.
Hey,
is
Rick, you
yet
see
to
that
be
bird?
seen.
Yeah, Gabe, that was great. What in the heck?
Oh, gorgeous.
Is that okay?
Better than okay.
There's things I would do to you I will not say on the tube.
No, it's a letter. Honestly, a good non-pop fakey shove is such a fantastic trick in a game of skate. It honestly, it really is. Oh! See? Yeah.
Nollie shove.
Is it the one in front of you or behind you?
Nollie back shove is behind you.
Oh, man. But fakey backside shove is in front of you.
I have no idea. Wow.
Nice.
Hippie, what's that called?
Nollie backside shove.
You got one?
Yeah, I was gonna do it with 1 foot though.
Oh!
Okay, Hippie. Now the 1 footer?
Sick. That's a great trick.
The second we gave Rick G a chance.
Yeah.
Every shove it variation in the book.
Oh, mess.
Okay, Cruz.
Are you kidding me, Cruz?
It's because he rolled up with so much steez.
Yeah, I was trying to be cool with it, you know?
That's okay, I got this, no big deal. I was chilling. It is kind of hard. This is built for you, Rick G. Yeah, that was it. Wow. That was the best D I ever seen.
Thank you.
Do I dare?
Making me sick.
Okay, I'll take it easy on you.
Actually, that might be harder.
Sheesh. We're all too old to sheesh, my guy. Have you fakey flipped before, Rick?
No.
Never.
Yeah, no, you got the right idea for sure.
Oh my word.
Ooh.
We should take a letter off for that.
Yeah.
What else do I got? This is for Gabe Cruz. Shout out Gabe Cruz.
What?
We need to do a Gabe Cruz varial flip tutorial.
Yeah. No, Gabe.
Now try it off the nose.
Nope.
Man, what do I got left on this thing? Front side 180 in Rick's house now. Yeah, Rick. Yes, sir.
Dude, this is a really good board.
Let's see if they got this, D.
Let's go.
Oh!
Come on. No.
You all right?
Oh. All right.
You got
game,
back
Rick, good
182.
No.
I will avenge you, my friend.
Does Gabe Cruz have backside 180?
Oh, God. You just lose all your speed.
Oh.
the comeback is gonna be even more special.
That's why I can't let you have a turn. I know you can do this because I already saw you do it. Oh no! Ouch! That first one 100% counted.
Nah.
Okay, I'm trying to not do that trick. Trying to not do that ever. Then pop. Give me that, go. I ain't scared of you.
Gladly. Dude. Funny, it's not hard at all. It's just weird.
It's not hard at all, it's just hard. I'm still too like scared, but I'm not scared, know what I mean? What the?
That is an awful trick.
That is the worst trick in skateboard history.
Midway through the trick, floating through the air, regretting my decisions in that moment.
No, that was the best decision you made all game. Yeah! Dang it!
The blood has been drawn.
Okay, now I'm pissed. Oh God.
No! No!
I think he ripped his pants. Okay, Gabe, if you can't beat him, join him. Oh!
Oh, yep, that's a guaranteed letter. My nuts are in danger, Derek.
Okay, that's it. That's it, Gabe. This one's for you.
Thank you. I really appreciate that one.
I hate myself.
What is an effective trick on this board?
Any trick. Holy guaca.
It wasn't that clean, but I'll take it.
This is for all the people that spend their life working in a rainforest. Ah, I can't. I can't.
Let's go, baby.
Last time I landed on the truck right here and my broken foot said, ah.
Slow warm up. Okay, that's why I did that first.
I know where you're going with that and I don't like it one bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
First try.
All right here, this is for you, Hippie Mike. No, Gabe! That's a poor attempt.
That's it, Gabe, watch this.
Do you have an issue with me? Did I do something to upset you? What did I do? I land this on defense and then he's really gonna be mad.
Yeah. Oh my!
No! No!
He didn't believe it. Okay, this one, I don't even know what I can say about it.
Photosynthesis.
Never again. Wow.
Now that one, I got away from it.
He went off the nose too. I don't like myself for this, I'm not gonna lie, Derek, but I'm gonna let it happen.
There's something seriously wrong with you.
I know.
But there's something seriously wrong with me too, because I would 100% do that. It's kind of hard.
It actually took me 2 tries. You cannot go out on this. Oh my word. That was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Sure.
And now I'm out of tricks. Okay. I don't know what happened just there.
Letter. Oh, I know what he's doing.
Ouch.
I knew the second you set up for that what you were trying, and I got a little scared for my future children right there, man.
Wow.
Actually kind of hard.
But you see, mine don't pop. Gabe's pop.
When the teacher teaches everything you know, you just gotta sit down and you take that one.
It's because you're going this high.
Bro,
Mine went this high.
I want a little pride in the tricks I'm landing, I want to look good. It's like its own little persistence here. Oh, that's so stupid.
Land that trick. Yes, sir. Wow. Wow. Gabe's the winner just for that, landing it so good.
Good game.
Good game. Well played.
I got discouraged quickly because as soon as my heel flips were taken away, I got nervous.
Because you couldn't heel flip.
Yeah, I almost lost my
yeah.
future children, then I lost it.
All right, well, this board was super, super fun. If you guys want to get one of these, you can go to brailleskateboarding.com. Very, very limited edition. As you see, it says 1 of 50.
Awesome.
Ba, 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 ba. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next episode.